Communities in Nwoya District are urgently calling for the government intervention to improve access roads. Due to the poor roads and broken bridges, many women are giving birth along the way, while children struggle to access schools and health care. In October 2024 alone, over 6 women delivered on the roadside due to the slow transport to the health facilities.
There are women who are jubilating at the background. I've brought culvert to help them work on their bridge so that they are able to cross from Olamapala to Agun. Especially pregnant women, they don't have any service of health care around. The only health care nearby is either Agun or Anaka sub-county. But here in Olamapala, where they are, is quite a distance. They cannot reach quickly, especially when they are in labor pain. You may find women giving birth on the way.
The latest incident involved 25-year-old Gloria Adoch, who delivered along the Apala Agung Road in Tudora Parish, Anaka Sub-County last week while being transported to Anaka Hospital due to the poor condition of the road. Geoffrey Opio Dennis, District Councillor for Akana Sub-County in Nwoya, says that over 300 households are unable to access the government services due to the poor state of the community roads in Olem, Apala and Agung A.
Community around this place have been facing a number of challenges in getting public facilities. The nearest primary school from here is about 3 to 4 kilometers. And normally during rainy seasons, it is so difficult for school-going children to travel and get to their school in time, because we have Agung Community School, which is to the south. It's about 3.5 kilometers from here, and you find pupils struggling to use longer path, because whenever they would use here, they get to school when they are wet, when their bags and books are actually destroyed.
Nyero Christine, a businesswoman and a resident of Nwoya, says that the community is not lazy but lacks support to improve their situation. She mobilized culverts and encouraged the locals to repair the bridge themselves in an effort to address the issue.
Like when I went to that bridge, I told them, we are doing community work. It's not only me who is going to do it, but I want you to own this bridge. So we should work together. And what they did, they collected the stone. By the time I went there, the first time I went there, I found heaps of stone, as if they offloaded there with trucks, but they actually carried it on their head. What I helped them with, it was only the culvert. So saying our people are lazy, no, I don't believe that. Our people are hardworking, but they lack guidance. They have to be guided. Like even last time when I went to Ayago Bridge, I found they are struggling to cross the bridge. Much as the bridge has broken down, there is no way, but they are carrying their motorcycle.
Nwoya District has over 501 kilometers of the roads and 338 bridges, including the central district and the community roads, all in dire condition and in urgent need to repair. Over the past 7 months, 20 women have tragically died while struggling to reach hospitals for the safer deliveries, while more than 81 women have given birth along the way as they navigated the poor roads to access the health cares.